Welcome to Flash Tutorial 33, Abstract Art Using ActionScript. And it's a follow-up to Flash Tutorial 32, which was called Allow Many Movie Clips to Move Around the Stage. And that's what I have opened now on my computer, just to show you what this particular tutorial does. Makes these little bugs. And as one hits up here and disappears, a new one will come on the bottom. If one hits this side, a new one will come over here. So we always have the same number of bugs on the stage. The first change I'm going to find in my action script, I got the actions panel open, and I'm going to make this 0.99 so it moves just a little bit faster. Come down here into this on enter frame section, right here after this open curly bracket, couple of enters, and type in this code. Type. This sets up the parameters for the line to be drawn. Line, small l, style, S-T-Y-L-E, all one word. There's a capital S there. Open bracket 3, comma, 0xFF0000, comma 50 close bracket semicolon. This sets up the hexadecimal color, and if you go over to the swatch here, and if you look up here as I move it around, there's different colors. So if you want the color, different color than what I'm using, and this sets the size in pixel of the line that's going to be drawn. Come down here after this variable movie clip line, type this code. This is what allows the actual thing to move. Move to small m capital T, all one word, open bracket, OBT period underscore X, that's the X axis of the little bug, comma OBT period underscore Y, close bracket semicolon. And come down here after this line here, you get the two math randoms and these two lines. Put a couple enters, type this code, type. This is where it's moving to, move to line 2, LINE, small l, capital TO, all one word, open bracket, OBT period underscore X, comma OBT period underscore Y, close bracket, semicolon. Now before we try it, I want to do a couple things. Go back to the timeline, for example. I want to open the library, double click on this movie clip, and this little bug, I want to highlight them and delete them. I want to pick up the poly tool right here on the rectangle tool, click that corner, poly star. See how it changed, look at that there. I want the options here. I want a star. 5 sides good, 0.5 is good. Okay. And I want my star to be red. And no. Let's make the star blue. And let's make the fill blue. So I got these blues on my star, and let's make a little star. There it is. Pick up your selection tool, highlight that, and drag it so it's approximately on the center there. Let's give this a test. Test movie test. There it is, and you see it's going to make this trail. Now if I just left it like that, that would go on forever and a day. So go back to the main scene, open the actions panel again, and right now every time an object leaves the stage, a new one comes on. So what I want to happen is I want the object to, when it leaves the stage, to be sent so far that we're never going to see it again. So here where I got these bunch of ifs and ifs else. This X for this one, let's make it 10,000. Copy that. That's sending it so far off the stage it should never come back. Down here, this here if else, where it says this stage width, paste in that 10,000. Down here, where it's talking about the stage height, and then we get this object, make that 10,000, paste it in here, and this one here, this last stage height, paste it in here, and now let's take a look at that. And as they go off the stage, they just disappear and stay disappeared. So let's prove that. Go up to the top here. This is going to be, let's just put 5 on the stage. 5 of those little moving stars. Test movie test. And we'll just do it till 1 hits. As soon as that gets here, far enough, boom, it's gone. Without that change, a new one would have come back here. So let's put it back the way it was with 50. I'm going to start it up. Control test movie test. And I'm going to stop this video and wait till this does its business. I let my machine run here for about 15 minutes, and you can see that I still have quite a few stars that have to move off the stage, but I think you got the picture. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learned.